All right, let's take a look at it. I always say one step at a time, and it's partially factored, and I got 4 factorizations to accomplish over here. And let's just do one at a time. All right, now I noticed that that these factorizations look pretty simple, by the way. I'm going to hold off doing this guy here and talk about why I'm holding off on that. So I'm just going to do this guy right over here. And what do you get? X and X. And then 20, let's see, it looks like 2 and 10. Minus 10 plus 2. Let me just check it. You do get x squared. Definitely get minus 8x in the middle and minus 20. I'm going to do this guy next. And what do you get there? X and X. And then what do you get? Well, I got a 10. I'm going to say it's 2 and 5. Minus 5 plus 2. Does that work? You do get x squared. You do get minus 3x, and you do get minus 10. Let's do this now. And what do you get there? X and X. And let's take a look at 35, right? I'm going to say 7 and 5. Minus 7 plus 5. Let's just check it. What do you get there? X squared. You would get minus 2x minus, that works beautifully. Now, so why hold it up to the end? I noticed that 25 minus x squared is in a rather odd order compared to the other ones. The other ones always lead with the x. So I'm going to say this is minus 1 times x squared minus 25. If you were to multiply that out, you'd get minus x squared plus 25, which is what we have. And I'm going to say, let me write that down now. So it's minus 1, and then I'm going to factor this guy over here. What's that going to be? It's actually the difference of perfect squares. So x squared minus 5, x squared plus 5. What are we going to do now? I'm looking around for cancellations. So left to right, this cancels provided the x is not minus 5. This cancels provided the x is not 5. Now x minus 10 is not a factor on the bottom, so I'm not worried about that. X plus 2 cancels provided x is not minus 2. What are we left off with on top? Minus 1 times x minus 10 over x minus 7. I'm going to write a little differently. I'm going to multiply the top out, and you would actually get 10 minus x over x minus 7. Right? I would say that's a good answer. Now, someone says, is there an equivalent answer that's just as good as that one? There are, but let's look at the key and see what they said. And what did they say? They said this. We're good. Now, someone says, what's another answer you could write down? Let me go through that with you. So it's x minus 10, and the bottom is x minus 7. Now, what's nice about this minus 1, you can top or bottom, doesn't matter. I'll put in the bottom now. What do you get there? X minus 10. What do you get on bottom? You would actually get 7 minus x. This is another good answer. So if you wrote down instead x minus 10 and 7 minus x, you get full credit. It's really the same answer. Any one you choose is fine. Thank you.